Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to set a silent ringtone for calls in Telegram. If you're looking to avoid those noisy interruptions, follow these simple steps to customize your ringing settings. First, open the Telegram app on your Android device. Look for the three lines icon at the top left corner of the screen and tap on it. This will open the main menu. From the menu options, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Notifications and Sounds. Now, navigate to the Calls section and tap on Ringtone. Here, you will find a list of available ringtones to choose from. To set a silent ringtone, simply scroll down and select the option for Silent. This will ensure that you won't be disturbed by any sound when receiving calls in Telegram. And there you have it. Your calls in Telegram will now ring silently without any interruptions. Feel free to customize your ringing settings further if needed. Thanks for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you next time.